Michael's has the $4 grab bags. Tons. I just put them out. Alright, I'm back from Michael's. I ended up buying 5 grab bags thanks to my cousin Narissa Nicole. She saw on Instagram that someone posted they had grab bag boxes at their Michael's. My Michael's just had bags, not the boxes. You definitely get a little more value in the boxes. They're all, whether it's a bag or a box, it's $4. And you can kind of see what's in them, so you definitely just want to go through and just kind of look through the plastic. So I'm glad I did, because the first one I grabbed was like all Christmas tree hooks. So they're still trying to get rid of Christmas stuff. So if you don't want any Christmas stuff, be a little careful if you're buying the bags. But this definitely looks like Valentine stuff to me. I did want some Valentine stuff. I wanted the stickers, and I'm not for sure. You know, you can't tell that everything is in it, so it is definitely still a mystery. Since I'm doing this one-handed, I'm going to cut open the bags real quick, and then I will be right back. Alright, I just cut the tops off, and now I'm just going to work from this end, and these are sticker boxes, I think. I don't know if there's anything in them. Are these just empty boxes? Huh. These are empty boxes, and they were charging $2.50 a box. Alrighty then, that's crazy. Oh, I get it. It's like a little oven, and then like maybe put a cupcake in it. They are adorable, but I definitely wouldn't have paid $5. Let's see, and then, okay, so this is gonna be baking stuff, which I don't mind. I do actually bake sweets a lot, so that's cool. Cupcakes and cupcake toothpicks, and then ribbon. Pretty ribbon, more ribbon. I'm happy with the ribbon. Let's see, and then this metallic box. I think it's a tree decoration. Okay. I guess I could be calculating the prices. Oh, it's a piñata. I'm not gonna worry about that. No matter what, these grab bags are quite the deal. And then let's see, gel cling. One of the dreaded foam kits that I donate these to my local Goodwill. I don't have kids, and I'm definitely not into foam crafts, so those get donated. Just little boxes, little paper mache boxes. Those are adorable. I actually have use for those. Oh, I'm so happy I did get a mold. I got a silicone mold. Definitely wanted one of those. Let's see. Stickers. This is what I was holding out for, like a bunch of these stickers, and I did get some. Oh, shrink art. That's cool. And then these are just Valentine card kits. Zach, I'll donate. I don't do the melty beads. A keychain kit. Is that more shrink art? I think that's more shrink art. Oh, these are cool. Felt hearts. Some more ribbon. More stickers. This is what I was holding out for. Well, I'm so happy I got stickers. Lots of stickers. Oh, and I got different ones too, so that's cool. Not just 5 of the same one. Oh yes, planner tape. That makes me really happy. You know I do junk journaling and planners, so very happy. Sticker. They put a lot of stickers in these bags. A lot more than what I got at Christmas, for sure. And then these are more of, oh, the scratch Valentines. More of the, let's see, oh, stickers, Valentines, puffy stickers. I cannot believe how many stickers are in that bag. Okay, so this is everything that was in the first bag. That is actually a lot, I think. Alright, let's start with this bag. I can already tell it's probably only going to have a couple things. It's the bigger stuff. So this is, okay, looking for my stud muffin. I already have my stud muffin, so that one's definitely being donated. And then this is, oops, this is just a heart wreath. You know what? I actually am keeping that because I do like putting out wreaths, and I definitely need a Valentine's one. So that is cool. And then just a little bear plush. He's cute. Or is that a puppy? I think it's a bear. Sorry with the annoying bag sounds, but I want this to be a mystery, so I'm not taking him out until now. Party kit. I'm trying to understand what this is. Plates, a banner, picks, and napkins. That's actually really cool. I like that. And then more Valentine sticker kits. I'm going to just add that to what I already have. I don't know what this is. A keychain, a cat in a spacesuit. Oh, it's this little sticker keychain book. That's adorable. And then, oh, there's something else in here. Alright. Happy Valentine's Day Mylar balloons. That's cool. And I think that's it. Oh, there's some of them. Oh my gosh, these plastic bags are. Get rid of those. Alright, 2 more of the paper heart kits. So that box didn't have nearly as much. It really only had like 6 or 7 items, but I don't know. I think it's because that heart took too much space. So here we go. This one I can tell has another wreath in it. This might be, no, there's still other stuff, but I feel like the wreath is taking up all this. Oh my god. Seriously. Sorry, I'm not a huge fan of the whole butt stuff, like when the witches, all you see is their behind, and now apparently this Cupid, all you see is their behind, and when all you see is Santa's behind. Totally not a fan of that, I'll be honest. I'm gonna totally take this apart and use this ribbon for something else. So, oh my god, retail value was 50 bucks. Would really anyone buy this for $50? I'm just disturbed. And then, let's see, more stickers. Yay, more stickers. This is the little boxes I like. Oh, that's a mermaid one. And then one of those towels that expands in water. What is this? Just tissue pack? They have Valentine's tissue packs. More of those. I bought all those, so I got 4 more sets of those. More tissues. That's actually going to come in handy. And then 2 llama wooden ornaments, and then just random hearts. So, alright, so yeah, if you get a bag with a wreath in it, you don't get as much stuff. And then here's another big one. And this is, I kind of picked this one up on purpose because I could tell it had some baking containers in it. So these are like cupcake holder boxes. I definitely can use these cupcake holder boxes. I don't care if they have hearts on them. I'll use them next time I make cupcakes. I don't care that they're Valentine themed. This is perfect to hold cupcakes when you're going to someone's house. Alright, and then another felt kit that I will donate. And another teddy bear. Some more felt hearts. More, I like these little containers. I have uses for them. A felt kit. It is cute, but I'll donate it because I just won't do anything with it. More of these Valentine kits. Oh, another Mylar balloon kit. What was this one? Oh, that's my first sun catcher kit. I remember doing these as a kid. That's just cute. And then this is a bracelet kit. Some more sticker Valentine kits. Oh my god. So apparently they gave me the display. This is one of those foam kits, and they made it and gave me, instead of throwing it away, they threw it in a grab bag. So, okay, I don't know if I should donate that. It's maybe, I don't know, do they want a completed kit? It is cute, but I'm not gonna, don't know what I'm gonna do with that. And then, oh, a cookie cutter. I'm surprised I didn't get that many cookie cutters because I know they had a bunch of Valentine stuff, so Valentine bakeware. So apparently I did not get bags with the bakeware. I only got 2 or 3 bakeware items this time. Stickers. And oh, here's another cookie cutter. I'm trying to figure out what it is though. Is it a heart or a strawberry? Is it supposed to be like a natural heart? Because, I don't know, that's kind of gross. Or a strawberry. Does it say what it is? Cookie stamper. Alright, it doesn't say what it is. You tell me. Is it supposed to be a strawberry or a human heart? And then more stickers. I knew all the grab bags were going to have those stickers in it because they had last week they had a whole display. Apparently nobody wanted those stickers this year. How much were they normally? $3. That's pretty good. All right, last bag. Remember, I only got 5. And there's tons. I just, I don't need tons of bags, and other people need to enjoy the Michael stuff too. Oh my God, this is so cool. Little heart ornaments. I love that. That is so cool. Let's see. Cupcake toothpicks. Oh, I like these. More of these keychain sticker books. I like that. I'm gonna put this stuff down here. A lot more of these keychain. I don't remember seeing those at the store. That's pretty cool. More tissues. You could always use tissues. Foam kit. So this, you can tell which bags have the foam kits in it. Can't really be avoided. So I will just donate those. It's just the stickers were in those. So whatever this is, nobody bought them because now I have more. Again, what is this? A heart or strawberry? I cannot tell. And then bumblebee kit. And you know what? I'm actually not going to make the bumblebee. I'll be honest. My cats love these little puff balls. I'm just going to take these out and use them as cat toys because they swat these things all over the house and then they get dirty with cat hair and I throw them away all the time. So they definitely need some new ones, and yeah, they're going to be reused as cat toys. More Valentine stickers. Ooh, this one's new. It's a coloring kit. More of the Valentine packs. More Valentine packs. So they definitely had tons of these to get rid of. More of these hearts. I like these containers. Foam hearts. Okay. And then we're almost done. Thanks for bearing with me. A wooden coloring mobile. I think eventually it will be a mobile kit. 2 of those. And as it goes to the floor. And what is this? Glimmer art kit. I think that's the one where you scratch it, right? You scratch the design into it, and then it's colorful underneath. And then another heart, more of the sticker keychains, and that is it. So this was basically everything in the last box. And then this is all my stuff, not the vase. I don't think my roses still look good from Valentine's Day. Well, not that one, but 2-3 weeks later, they still look pretty good. But anyway, back to the Michael's haul. This is all my Michael's stuff, and only 5 bags, so it's $4 a bag. You know what? I think you can use your 20% off coupon. I didn't even think about using a 20% off coupon. I had a 50% off on one item, so I went ahead and bought some Tim Holtz stuff. But darn it, I guess I was just so excited to run over there, I didn't think about using my 20% off coupon. But oh well, it's still a good deal for $4 a bag. So what is that? $20 for all this stuff. Yeah. And actually, most of it, I'm thinking, and most of this stuff I actually have uses for. I will donate the foam kits, a couple of the kids' crafty kits I will donate to my local Goodwill, but most of the stuff I will be keeping. I definitely have uses for it. So very happy with this haul overall. I did organize everything real quick, so I'm just adding this to the end just to see a little bit better what I got. This is just more organized. These are all the red boxes I'm excited about. The tissues. These are the craft kits that I'll probably donate, except for just keeping that for the cats. But the rest of those I'll donate with those foam kits. And then this is all the Valentines. I sorted it by the type of Valentines, so you can see I definitely got a lot of duplicates on that. And then stickers. These are I'm most happy about because I wanted these stickers. I'm very excited about the planner tape. I buy this stuff full price all the time, so that was kind of cool. And remember all those Valentines, more wreaths, and this stack of ribbon. Didn't get as much ribbon as I was expecting, but that's okay. And this is it on the cooking stuff. I don't know. I guess I just grabbed the wrong bag because I kind of wanted some cooking stuff. I don't think I'll go back for Valentine's. I think I'll wait till the next mystery bag haul. This is good. I'm very happy with everything. It was very, I don't know. I already said it. I like it. I'm very happy with this. But I think it's it. I got enough stuff to play with for a while. So I hope everyone else runs to their Michaels and gets some grab bags and has fun and shows off what they got, because I like to watch other videos and see what everyone else gets. So anyway, go to Michael's.